Hi, friends! Today's story is called Hopper the Little Rabbit and the Big Forest Friends. Ready? Let's hop in! Once upon a time, in a sunny green forest, there lived a little rabbit named Hopper. Hopper had soft white fur, long floppy ears, and the bounciest hops you ever saw. Hopper loved playing with his friends. Tilly the tall giraffe, who could reach the highest leaves, Sammy the squirrel, who could climb trees super fast, and Ellie the elephant, who was the strongest and could splash water the farthest. Every day they played fun games together. But one day, Hopper started feeling a little sad. He watched Tilly stretch her long neck to eat yummy leaves from the tallest trees. Wow, thought Hopper. I wish I could reach that high. Then, he saw Sammy zoom up a tree and gather nuts in a flash. I wish I could climb that fast, sighed Hopper. And when Ellie sprayed water from her trunk all the way across the river, Hopper thought, I wish I was that strong. Hopper sat under a bush and felt very small. Why can't I be tall like Tilly, fast like Sammy, or strong like Ellie? I'm just a little rabbit who can only hop. His friends noticed Hopper wasn't playing. What's wrong, Hopper? Asked Tilly gently. Hopper told them everything. You all are so amazing, and I'm not. The friends smiled and gathered around him. Sammy said, Hopper, you're the best at hopping. You can jump over logs and find hidden carrots faster than any of us. Ellie nodded. And when we play hide and seek, you always find the best spots because you're small and quick. Tilly added, We love playing with you because you're fun and kind. Everyone is different, and that's what makes us special. Hopper thought about it. He was great at hopping really high, digging super speedy tunnels, and making everyone laugh with his funny bounces. From that day on, Hopper stopped comparing himself to others. He celebrated what made him special, his amazing hops. And the friends played even happier games together, because they knew everyone brings something unique to the fun. Remember, little ones, just like Hopper, you're special in your own way. Don't compare yourself to others. Be proud of what makes you wonderful. Thanks for listening. See you in the next story. Bye-bye.